So it's been a rather weird day today where every time I try to sit down and do some drawing, I always get distracted by other things that need doing. Strange day. Had a few of these days, so I'm just gonna sketch something. I don't know what. It'll probably be the usual stuff that I always draw. Yeah, so here we go. I think it's gonna be chainsaw to the head. Just for fun. And this is a zombie's head. I think it'll be nice if I just get some sort of action scenes that I can illustrate as well. Sort of to get me in the sort of frame of mind, especially for the graphic novel that I'm working on. It'll be good to think in terms of action and stuff happening rather than just drawing things that look cool. I'll still make it try and look, look cool and with his eyeballs looking up to the head. Drawing here on that side. And there's lots of blood, bits of brain. It's too hot. Anyway, so I want the zombie to look obviously like a zombie. Lots of blood and stuff just spraying out everywhere at the back of its head. Chainsaw. We have them chainsaw blades, just like rough, like spikes like that, because it's all in motion in it. So, just try and add that there. Trying to draw a bit of hair on the top of the zombie's head. I won't do much hair. Just faint little wisps of hair. Got the bottom teeth there and the jaw. And the eyes are sort of like looking up as if to say, what the hell happened? Or something like that. Even though zombies wouldn't probably do that. So yeah, tomorrow definitely I'm gonna do some more painting things, maybe some micro paintings and things like that, in a daily vlog, and then I'm going to try and change the format again, maybe sort of like slip and change between doing this sketchy format and doing other stuff. It's like I said, always say before, like, you know, try and mix it up, do different things, so it keeps me interested in doing these videos. I said it before, I like drawing stuff where you don't draw the full sort of drawing, you just draw a section of it. It's almost like a panel of a story or something, or, you know, things like that. Sometimes them type of illustrations interest me more, particularly like when, you know, something's happening in it, like a bit of action like this, the top of the head's getting cut off of a zombie. It's just quite cool. I know this type of drawing, my mum wouldn't really approve of it, but it's what I like to draw, so, and it's what, you know, I can draw. I can draw other stuff, but I need to learn to draw other stuff, and right now I'm stuck drawing this type of stuff, which isn't really a bad thing. It's just what I like to draw, so, you know, so we've got the chainsaw there, maybe do a more defined line there to separate the little blades on the end from the big sheet of metal which is the chainsaw. Yeah, and there's probably blood going different ways, splatting all over. I think what would be a good idea is get that little makeup brush with the hard bristles on it. I could do some kind of splatter later on. I think I'll add some colour to this because nice red colours. Got the little vent on the side of the chainsaw. Not too sure about, you know, chainsaw anatomy, if you can call it that, but it's best just to fake it, sort of thing, because it's like only half of it there, the blade. It looks like a chainsaw, so I could always correct that later. I think I'll start to add a bit of thickening lines. I'm going to do very thickening lines for certain parts of this, you know, like the chin underneath, the neck. There's like heavy bits of shadow as well. Just the main outlines like I usually do. Sort of like the top of his head looks like a burger or something. Unintentional. Although I do feel hungry now. Big Mac. Yep, so the scalp of his head's just been sliced clean off there. Some of these bits of brain, leave them as large chunks. There's more chunks and stuff over here. The thinner parts of the blood I'll do like with a thinner ink pen as usual. Just ink the under eyes there with the just under the nose there, and I think a frown there. I'll use a thinner ink pen now for the rest. I think I've had the lid off there for quite a bit. Oh no, it's not dried up. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Still going strong, these Pigma Microns. I've had them for a few years, but I'll definitely have to get some more. So I've just zoomed in more on this. I'm going to get the basic ink work done and dusted. Then I'll erase some of the pencil lines, and I'll add a slight bit of colour. So I think it's, because I haven't really done that in these sketch videos. I've mainly just inked quick drawings and then that's it really. So I'll do some experimental colour, I think, which might look quite effective. Make more of them teeth there. Just being real sketchy with it because I like to work quite quick when I'm inking. I always do it. Lots of blood dripping down the zombie's head. Yeah, so I've started a few more little sketchbooks. I hope to get these sketchbooks sort of filled up with some good sketches, because I'll do some more sketchbook tours. You know, I've done 2 so far, so you know, I'd like to do some more. I'm working on a small A5 sketchbook that's, you know, me just drawing different things based on a circle, like I've done in previous little vlogs, where I've drawn the circle and then tried to fit something in it. Well, I'm doing that throughout one of my sketchbooks, so just draw different things. I've already showed you one on my Instagram account quite recently. It's like a Cthulhu sort of illustration. Loads of tentacles and stuff I like to draw, so yeah, you can go and check that out on my Instagram and follow us if you're on there as well. So, because I always do little updates, you know, almost daily, so it's always worth checking me out over there. Lots more blood. All in here will be all the mashed up brain getting sliced up. So yeah, I'm liking this one. Pretty much all these zombie ones, I just like to draw them, so you know, like this. Yeah, so today think it was about 8 o'clock. I just started this daily vlog. Very late, but I've just been distracted all day by things. Just daft things, really. Life things. You know, like just doing the shopping, but getting a delivery, and then the delivery person don't come on time. It comes right at the end of the 2-hour window, so then I've wasted hours. Well, I've been sketching while I was waiting, like, but would I like to do, done a video then, but every time, if I would have started a video, then it probably would have arrived, like, with the shopping and that, and then, I would have, disrupted the video or something, and I don't know. And just usual other stuff, like picking my daughter up from school, and they'll be off school soon, so last day tomorrow, and, just things like that. Just life stuff, always gets in the way. Cooking tea, yeah. Washing the dishes, boring stuff. So, yeah, this is looking quite good. Do a little bit more inking, and then I'll clean it up off camera. Take a load of the pencil marks out and things. I'll add a bit of colour to it. Experimental splatters and other stuff I like to add. Yeah, should look quite good. Just little wispy bits of hair. Might look like a wig, but don't matter. Maybe more drips going down the head, dripping off the face. Can't probably see them properly, but can just add them there. I'll just quickly draw. Done the chainsaw like that, just to give it like a look of movement. Real sketchy with it because that's just the way it is. Yeah, so I'll just clean it up now. There's some areas which I've just left rather sketchy, like the actual chainsaw. It's really the focus on the zombie head, and the actual chainsaw, is just part of the action. And then I'll start to add a bit of colour to this, possibly in a time lapse. So that's what I'll do. far as I got with that. It's now 9:10. I'm going to make these sort of shorter sometimes and more sketchier, but I'd like to come back to this and maybe finish this and colour it in, sort that chainsaw out a bit more at some point. I don't know when, but I just like the energy it's got. Of course, like, I need to fill in a lot more of the blood and maybe neater with some marker pens or something like that. But yeah, I just like the idea of it, slicing the top of a zombie's head off. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to leave that there for now. I'm going to try and do more longer vlogs, especially next week, like I used to, and try and actually finish some drawings and ideas and stuff, and mix it up a bit more with these daily art vlogs and do different stuff. So I'm determined to do some more painting tomorrow, so hopefully I can do painting. I don't get distracted by stuff, and yeah, just get on with it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers now.